You know, in my Discord, we're changing the lives of thousands of people because we just win every day in the stock market. Now, here's what you need to do if you want to get serious about changing your life and moving your stock trading skill to the next level. You need to understand the financial markets. You have to know what's going on in the world every day and whether the overall sentiment of the market is up or down. How do you do that? Well, CNBC, it's my go-to TV channel, and I'm telling you, it's made me such a better trader because I can get news tips, go research on the internet, use my charts at ProChart Signals, confirm a trade that I want to take, and we almost always win. And of course, it's easy to follow my trades in the Discord and just win every day, but if you want to get better as a technical trader, I'm telling you, my friends, you've got to start listening, watching, and learning about the financial world, and CNBC can be your friend. I start my mornings with CNBC, and I always have it on all day while I'm trading. It's the key to success. Knowledge is power. Join us if you haven't yet on my free Discord. See what we do. Learn how to trade at copyandwin.com, but also make yourself a better trader, and you can do that by starting at CNBC. Not a paid sponsor, just my advice. Love ya.